Well, the one that will always stick in my mind, even though it's 24 years ago now, because I hadn't started long in the markets, only perhaps a year before, was the stock market crash in October 1987. And I don't know if you remember back then, but Friday the London markets were pretty much out of order thanks to the hurricane. But we came in early on Monday morning because on Friday night the Dow had fallen quite sharply, and we came in early on Monday morning, and once we switched the phones on, because it wasn't online dealing then, it was just mayhem from then probably until I think we managed to sort of not calm things down, but I think we finally switched the phones off at probably about 11 o'clock that night. It was absolute mayhem, and of course it carried on for the rest of the week, and it's something that I could certainly remember to this day. I mean, there are other ones as well. I mean, 1991, I think was it 1991? There was the Russian coup. That was quite extraordinary. And then our exit from the ERM, I think, which was the year after. And then a bit later on, of course, we had the Enron and WorldCom scandals, which sort of really also put the cat amongst the pigeons. And likewise, when Alan Greenspan, in the middle of a market rally, started talking about the irrational exuberance of the markets, and we saw an incredible decline in a very short space of time. But I suppose the most peculiar one was 9/11, and when those plays went in just before the US markets opened, it was in complete contrast to all the other things that had gone before, and just everything was just eerily quiet, and for obvious reasons, and that was effectively then a market shutdown for I think it was quite a few days after that.